Find that middle lane, get to it. Middle lane, get to it. You went to the first one. Yeah, you ain't understanding the concept. So new drivers, when you are entering that Michigan left turn space, you have to keep in mind that it is 2 different lanes within that space. With that being said, you have to remain in the lane in which you came from. So since we're to the right, when we make that left, you gotta make sure you stay towards that outside, inside that center lane. Moving left and right out there is impeding traffic and ain't nobody gonna like that.
Turning on the outside, go to an outside lane.
Yes.
If I'm turning in the inside,
go
to the inside lane.
Exactly. That is not optional. Where we going? Oh man, you missing what I'm saying. Did you hear me? The stand inside next to the island.
So this not the island?
Yeah, but this the outside next to stop. Okay, so it's a communication thing, and I want us to be on the same page. You get what I'm saying? So when I'm saying outside next to stop sign, that is this lane here. When I'm referring to the island, this is the one we're staying next to. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I want us to, let's go to the middle lane now. Middle lane. Bingo, right there. So we either staying next to the island or going next to the stop sign. Just gotta understand them two. We have to do that. Try it again. Stay to the outside. See, inside. Turn it. There you go. Straighten her back up now. Hold it down. Let's roll. Middle lane. Middle lane, but I still don't think you know where we were going. We took a little too long to get there. Right? Any of them would have worked. But I want you to know where you're going and not guessing once we get there. We're going to keep on working on that. I got to make sure you get that. It's like you turning like, am I there? Am I there? Okay, I'm here. Let's go. Car is going to be rolling already. So you're going to have to know and getting it in it. We'll check it out, man. Now, as you see, I'm going to keep on working with my students and making sure that they truly understand what's going on before I be like, all right, you ready to rock and roll. There we go. Hold it down. And remember, when we get to this point, keep that vehicle straight so we can see this way. Right? So once this is clear, the sign says left turn permitted on red after stop. So we stopped. What they doing? We good. Green, go. Middle lane. Middle lane. Even now, right? We got to know where so it's something about these curves you're not feeling. Because we going in too slow and hesitant, right? I got to get them faster because we coming on the main roads.